and viewers in the rooms of MC College. As we have come to discuss in related to the national examinations. And I am honored to request to the students studying in history subjects as well as graduating in history subjects from any colleges affiliated to SKP University. Please, if you are really preparing for UGC NET examinations, then you can follow some of very important books from history subjects in related to pass the UGC NET examinations with very good numbers. So I am going to introduce some of very important books which really are very important books for the preparation of UGC NETs, which we are gonna to take up just few years later after the complements of the MA. So let's have a look of these books for the preparation of UGC NETs. So from history subject actually. You can see this is the first book, the Penguin History of Early India from the origins to edit 1013. So 1003 India, sorry. So this is a book written by the Rabindranath Tagore. So this is very important book. This book has covered the times of from the origins of up to the 1300. So this is very important book for the preparations of NET examinations. You can see. So this one is India's Ancient Part written by the R.S. Sharma, Ramcharan Sharma. This also is an ancient book, and this book, both books are the same but written by different writers. This book has been written by Rabindranath Tagore, and this one book has been written by the R.S. Sharma. So this book also is very important for the preparations of UGC NET. So this one book is written by Shekhar Bandyopadhyay from Plassey to the positions and the afterwards a history of modern India. This book also is very important to know the real concepts of modern India as well as to take up the UGC NET exams as well as to pass that with good numbers. So this book also is very important, and this modern India, history of modern India is very important book. These both books are important, the same parts written by with different writers, but this book also is very important, written by actually Bipin Chandra. You can see very important book for the preparations of UGC NET. And this book, history of medieval India, written by Satish Chandra, also is very important to know the history of medieval India. This book also is very important for the preparation of UGC NET examinations. So you can see these 5 books are very important for the preparations of UGC NET. So you can you can buy this book and you can prepare for UGC NET examinations as well as to take up the examinations as well as to pass the UGC NET examinations with very good numbers. So these books are very important from history honors. You can see.